Here's how you can find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. If you've locked and hidden a chat or want to do so, I'll guide you through the process. First, open WhatsApp. To lock a conversation, simply press and hold the chat, and at the bottom, you'll see the lock chat option. Tap on it and then select Continue. Now remember that locked chats will initially appear at the top of your chat list. However, if you exit WhatsApp and reopen it, the locked chat won't be visible at the top anymore. To access it, swipe down on the chat list, and the locked chat section will appear. Once you tap on the locked chat section, you'll see all your hidden conversations. To enhance privacy further, you can enable an extra layer of security by going into Settings, top right corner, turning on lock chats, and setting a secret code. It's important to remember this code because it's the only way to retrieve your hidden chats. For example, if I set my code to 1111, I'll need to enter it again for confirmation and then hit Done. Now let's test it. I'll close WhatsApp and reopen it. This time, even if I swipe down, the locked chats won't appear because they are now fully hidden. The only way to access them is by tapping on the search bar and typing the secret code, 1111 in this case. Once entered, the hidden chat will show up, allowing me to open and access it. If you ever forget your passcode, the best solution is to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, restoring your chats from a backup. This will reset the lock and allow you to access your messages again. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.